Hello everyone, today I'm going to show top 5 best 4K ultra-short throw laser projectors to buy in 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5, JMGO 01 Pro Ultra Short Throw Smart LED Projector. JMGO Short Throw Function. JMGO 01 projector is designed with ultra short throw technology. Just place the projector 10.6 inch away from the wall. No need for a specific long distance to project images on 80 to 100 screens. It features a shorter throw ratio of 0.25 to 1, and the projector can be hung and placed in various forms to create a technological space. Like a joint cooperation, the JMGO 01 projector is equipped with a native 1080p resolution. Full HD 1080p resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Supports 4K at 60 Hz and has 4K short throw projector support technology, 800 ANSI lumens brightness, 120% NTSC color, and cooperates with Leica to have powerful LED technology and enjoy up to 45,000 hours of lamp life for an average of 4 hours of viewing time every day for 10 plus years. Dual 9W Dynaudio speakers with a pair of 9-watt speakers. JMGO 01 Ultra Short Throw Projector produces powerful stereo sound tuned by Dynaudio's chief acoustic engineer. JMGO projector earning dual certification from Dolby Audio and DTS HD. It is easy to enjoy your party time in a 120 square meters large room, by the swimming pool, or even in the garden. Smart functions of JMGO. The JMGO 01 short throw projector has 4 intelligent modes including Blue 3D mode, autofocus, keystone correction, and eye protection system, making the 01 short throw projector a more advanced plug-and-play smart projector. At the same time, there is also the intimate JMGO Luna OS system, and the 01 ultra short throw projector 4K can provide you with 24/7 company. A choice for yourself and your family. This short throw projector 1080p is equipped with 2x USB, 2x HDMI, 1x optical, 1x LAN port, compatible with your phones, tablets, laptops and desktops. If you have any question when using this ultra short throw projector, please feel free to contact anytime anywhere. We are always here ready to help you. JMGO offers 360 days repair warranty, 24/7 hours online service. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Number 4, Xgimi Aura 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. The Xgimi Aura 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector is a home theater projector that uses laser technology to produce a 4K resolution image with high color accuracy and contrast. It features an ultra short throw distance, which means it can project a large image from a very short distance from the wall or screen. This makes it ideal for small rooms or apartments where space is limited. The projector runs on the Android operating system and supports a variety of streaming apps, including Netflix and Amazon Prime. Number 3, BenQ V7050i Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. Upgrade to True 4K, 2500 ANSI lumens powered by DMD-ECD for comfortable viewing in brightly lit rooms. True 4K 3840 by 2160 or 8.3 million pixels give incredible clarity. Not double HD or... Number 2, VAVA Chroma Triple Laser Ultra Short Throw Projector. The VAVA Chroma Triple Laser Ultra Short Throw Projector is a high-end home theater projector that uses 3 lasers to produce a 4K resolution image with HDR10 support and a wide color gamut. It has an ultra-short throw distance, allowing it to project a large image from just inches away from the wall or screen. This makes it ideal for small or tight spaces. The projector features a built-in Harman Kardon sound system that delivers powerful and immersive audio. The VAVA Chroma also runs on the Android operating system and supports a wide range of streaming apps, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hulu. Additionally, it has a motorized lens cover, automatic keystone correction, and autofocus to ensure that the image is always clear and in focus. The VAVA Chroma is also designed with a sleek and modern look that blends in well with any home decor. Number 1. Samsung Premier LSP9T 4K Smart Triple Laser Projector, 4K UHD Ultra Bright Triple Laser, cutting-edge triple laser technology, and ultra-bright 4K resolution deliver heightened contrast and impeccable detail with 2800 lumens Smart TV powered by Tizen. Go beyond Smart TV with next-gen apps, super easy control, and a host of enhancements that elevate the projector watching experience. Ultra short throw and compact design. This compact projector turns any room into a home theater. Ultra short throw technology allows the Premier to be placed inches from the wall while delivering an incredible picture. Powerful 4.2 channel system. The powerful 40W speakers in this 2.2.2 channel system provide front, center, and surround sound for a room-filling audio.